Welcome to the definitive guide to mobile stabilization. Smooth video demands stability, but bulky hardware costs time and money. Samsung changes the game with Super Steady, the virtual gimbal in your pocket. Super Steady masters high action. While standard phones fix minor tremors, Super Steady removes heavy camera shakes. It functions exactly like a premium action camera, without the heavy, expensive mechanical gimbals. Super Steady uses the ultra-wide lens to capture a massive field of view. The software crops the center, and AI shifts this frame to counteract physical movement. This allows you to keep the subject and lose the shake. Standard video stabilization uses a 20% margin for correction. Super Steady's predictive AI reads the device gyroscope and predicts your next move, increasing the margin to a powerful 80%. The Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces a true virtual gimbal with horizontal lock. You can rotate the phone 360 degrees, and the video horizon remains perfectly level. This is the 2026 breakthrough in mobile stabilization. The evolution of smooth shows how stabilization has progressed, from standard VDIS for everyday tremors to Super Steady for running and biking, and finally, horizontal lock for 360-degree rotations with a 100% margin of correction. For cinematic mastery, follow 3 rules. Seek bright light, as ultra-wide lenses require high illumination. Maintain 1 meter distance to prevent ultra-wide warping. And maximize processing by capping resolution at QHD. Activate Super Steady in 1 tap. Open video mode, tap the hand icon, and the icon turns yellow. On the S26 series, you can tap the menu to toggle horizontal lock. Super Steady is smooth, steady, and simple. The software absorbs the bumps so you can focus on the action. The need for external gimbals ends today.